Hey guys, so we have a run deal at Family Dollar. So Family Dollar is very similar to, excuse me, Family Dollar is just like Dollar General. You download their app and you clip their coupons, and then you enter in your phone number at checkout. And I'll show you how to do it on the phone or on your phone in the video afterwards, just to kind of explain it. So explain it to you and show you as well than me just talking. The reason why it is an extreme run deal for me is because starting tonight, we are going to be getting a bad snowstorm. It's gonna be like 2 to 3 inches dumped on us per hour. So there is like a 99% chance that there won't be any school. That's totally fine. That just means that I won't be able to run out and get it tomorrow. So this is the deal. On Family Dollar's app, they have store coupons and they have regular coupons, manufacturer coupons, just like Dollar General does. There's a $2.50 off of one, all Mighty packs or Power Core packs. These are just they're like Tide Pods. And so then there's also, this was released this morning. They release coupons every Sunday morning like Dollar General does. This was released this morning, as well as a $1 off any all product. Using them together, this is like 7-cent laundry soap. And so if you've got bad weather coming or something like that, it means you've got to do it today, because what's going to happen is this snowstorm is going to put us to bed for a couple of days. But then on like Wednesday, we're going to have 40 below zero weather for the rest of the week. So it's going to be hard to clear the snow because of the dangerous temperatures. And salt doesn't melt snow when it's that cold. So I'm pretty much going to be homebound for deals this week. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. So anyways, I am about to run into a Family Dollar, and I'll explain more about Family Dollar later on how you can use multiple accounts. That part is easier than Dollar General, because at Family Dollar you can do one transaction, and then you can do another transaction and use a different phone number, and they don't care. They allow it on the app. It allows you to log in and out and use different accounts as well. So that's always great. So I'm about to walk into the store and I will show you how it goes. There is also another deal that is going on that might be a good deal for you. It's a houseware item. If it's not a good deal for you, that's okay. I'm gonna get a few only because I really don't have any extras. So I'll show you about that when we get in the store. Okay, so they're advertising for $3.49 as a price drop and a $2.50 smart coupon. Then use the $1 off coupon and you only pay tax. And see, mine is just about gone, but that's okay. The comforters are on sale. Okay, and then for $22, and then there is a $15 off with a smart coupon. Some of them are rating up a little bit more than 25 though. And then use your $5 off coupon as well. That is a $5 off 25, just like Dollar General. So guys, it worked without a hitch, and I got an 18 pack of laundry soap and a twin comforter set for $2.18 at Family Dollar. And this is what they are, the Power Core, and it's an 18 pack. And yeah, this is some really good stuff, the Power Core. They only had a few left, but then it's this or the Mighty Pack, which I think is just what they call their pods. So you have the comforter set that was on sale for $22, marked down from $32. Then they have a $15 off smart coupon, bringing that down to just $7. Then you have your Power Core pack for $3.45 on sale, marked down from $5.50. And that is $1 off manufacturer coupon. That is a smart coupon. That's what they call their digital coupons. And then they also had a $2.50 off one Family Dollar coupon for the all as well. And then I had the $5 off 25 coupon that they released, and theirs are good for the whole week. And then that brings my total down to $2.18, $2 without the tax. So that is a pretty good deal. So this is just the app. It's a really nice app. I do like it a little bit more than Dollar General's for a couple of reasons, but this is just, you know, you just hit the coupon that you want to clip, and then it goes into, you know, it goes into your account associated with the phone number. With their couponing app, you can log out and log back in to 2 different numbers. I, of course, have like an iPad and a computer that I can log into as well and use, you know, different phone numbers, so I'm not just limited to the app. What is also nice is here is the coupons that I have clipped, and you can tap the coupon and it'll show at the bottom here, how do I use this coupon? So if you're in Dollar General, or not Dollar General, but if you're in Family Dollar and you say, yes, I clipped this coupon, and they say, okay, bring up the coupon and click on how to use this coupon, it'll flip it over and have a barcode on it. And then they can scan it and it'll come off. So anyways, that's the neat part about it. And this is, you can use their app to scan for deals. I really like that as well. So if you see, oh, there's these, you know, there's this Swiffer, you scan the Swiffer and it'll show the sale price and it'll show the coupons that you can use for it. And then the center part here shows about the ad, but there's smart spins that after you make a purchase, you get like 1 spin, and you spin and you see what you win, and it's like you win secret coupons that are not just available for just like the ones that they release every Sunday. So that's really nice. And then this is just me scrolling through the ad. So it's I didn't see the comforter on sale, but the comforters are $10 off, and then $15 off with the coupon. So if you get a $32 comforter, then it is $2. $5 for $35 one, and then the $37 ones are $7. And this is just the coupons that I have redeemed, and then I'm just opening it up to show you that yes, here's the wordage for a manufacturer coupon, and those are the coupons that I used to get the $2 off. So that's it, guys. Hurry up and get on out there and get you some really cheap extra blankets and get some free soap. Bye.